Hello, my beautiful Sharyn Zoo Crew family. It is Monday afternoon, and we got Sammy the Hammy, the smiling pig here, playing with Bob. He is happy as can be. It is 4:30 in the afternoon, and he is up and playing. His quality of life is so much better now. He's up 2 times a day, wagging his tail, not limping anymore because of his C60 Purple Power. It's a oil that I give him once a day in his food, and he's doing awesome. Right, Sammy? You feeling good? Yes, my love. So we wanted to say hello on this Monday afternoon. I hear ferrets. The ferrets have to come out and play too. Maybe I'll get the ferrets on this video as well. I got to take them out to play in the bathroom. Are you happy, Sammy? Look at that tail wagging. That is one happy piggy. One happy piggy. He's still congested a little bit, but I think it's from my heat. I have the heat on, so I think that may be drying him out a bit. But otherwise, happy piggy. All right, guys, I'll do the rest of the video with the ferrets. And here's Lola. Hi, Miss Lola. She follows me everywhere. Look at this. She follows me everywhere I go. I'm going to crash because I can't see where I'm going. Hello, beautiful girl. Hello, beautiful girl. You want your food? You want to take a food break? She is doing so well. She settled in perfectly. She fits in so well to the Sharyn Zoo. Right? Right, honey? Yes, my baby girl. Miss Lola. She is so cute. Yes, baby, I know. You just want to be with Mama. I know. And here's Lola. Right after I turned off the camera, she jumped on my couch and made herself at home. Right? Because you are home. You are home, little baby girl. You're so comfy. You are so comfy. She is such a beautiful angel. You want me to rub your belly? Want me to rub your belly? Huh? You want to play? You want to play? You want to play? Oh, she is so cute. She is so cute. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. All right, guys. Again, I will show the ferrets. And here we got the ferrets in their amazing pop-up playpen. Who do we got here? We got Kipper. Hi, Kipper. Who's that? Lily. Hi, Lily. And there's Selena. She's sleeping. She's doing a dead sleep. Hi, you climbing up? You climbing up? You want me to say hi? You want to say hi? And there's Mila Minute. Oh, Kipper's coming out. Come on. You climbing out? Yes, you know how to escape. You know how to escape, huh? You know how to escape. You're so funny. You're so funny. So I'm going to take them into the bathroom with their packing peanut. Oh, there's Selena. Hi, Selena. In her princess bed. You're going to try to come out again? You're going to come out again? Huh? Huh? Kipper. So they are ready to play. They are ready to play. I know. I'm going to take you out. I'm going to take you out. All right, guys. Hold on. All right. We got the ferrets out. Someone said, why don't you let the ferrets play in the snow? So I brought the snow inside to them. Let's see what they do. Do you want to play in the snow? Who wants to play in the snow? They all look interested. But are they like, is it too cold? These aren't the packing peanuts. What is that? What is that? That's snow. Who's gonna go in there? Who's gonna go in there? Who's gonna go in the snow? Is it gonna be Lily? You're going to the bathroom. Good girl. Good girl in the litter box. You gonna go in the snow? Huh? They are looking interested. Of course, they've never seen snow before. You want to go in? Lily? Is someone going in? Huh? What do you guys think? What do you think? You don't know what to make of it, and I don't want to put you in if you don't want to go in. You want to go in? You want to go in the snow? Go in the snow, Lily. Go play in the snow. Go play in the snow. You're like, oh, it's cold. It's cold. Lily, you want to go in and play? Mile a minute. There you go. Lily's the first one in the snow. Lily's the first one in the snow. What do you think? What do you think? You can play in the snow. I had a feeling it was going to be you, Lily. I thought you were going to be the first one to go play in the snow. What do you think? I'm not going to force any of them to go in because it is cold. But Lily likes it. What do you think? What do you think? Kipper almost tried it. Kipper almost tried it. Oh, Mile a Minute's going in. Mile a Minute. Wow, snow. It's snow. Yes, you can dig in there. There you go. Yes, go digging. Make a hole. Make a hole, Mile a Minute. Mile a Minute's my other one that's more adventurous. Dig a hole. Dig a hole. Yay, Mile a Minute. Is it cold? Is it cold? But it's fun, right? It's fun. You want to go in again? You want to go in? You want to go in? Kipper's like, no, it's too cold. Too cold. More wrestling in the packing peanuts. Who do we got? I can't even see who that is. Who is that? Hey, who is that? That's Kip and Mila? Kip and Mila. You wrestling? You're wrestling. You guys are silly. Don't hurt each other. You love each other. Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. Hi, Selena. Oh, we got Lily in there too. Hi, Lily. Lily! What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? More wrestling? More wrestling? Nobody wants to go in the snow anymore, huh? Mile a Minute. Go in the snow. Packing peanuts. And now you're wrestling. You and Lily. Kipper's like, I want to play with everybody. What are you doing? What are you doing? Go in the snow. The snow's gonna melt, guys. Ladies. You guys still playing, huh? You're still playing and wrestling. Oh my goodness. You gonna go in there? You gonna go in, Selena? Go ahead. You don't want to go in? What are you doing? What are you doing? You lost your friend. You lost your friend. Here. You want to go dig in the snow? Go dig in the snow. Go dig in the snow. Chicken, chicken. Chicken, chicken little. You were digging before.